Stock name is Zee Entertainment Enterprises. Check out the chart and the time frame. Here I am using 15 mintwees time frame for 0.4% target. Check out the price trend, which is showing negative trend. Now check the RSI 14 trend. Is it same trend or not? RSI 14 showing negative trend. Now check the CCI 21 trend. Is it same trend or not? CCI 21 showing positive trend. Two major hooks below -100 parameters, and the direction is positive when we added a line between the two hooks. Find out the middle point of this two hooks of CCI 21. Now draw a line touching with the middle point to find out the CCI crossover point. Check the price of crossover, which is 252.80. This will be our buying level. What will be our target? Generally for 15 mintwees chart, we can expect 0.35% to 0.4% return. 0.4% means 1 point, which stand 253.80 plus area. My target approximate 254.30. Now wait. Now see the price, which is on live. Price is 253.85. Check out the high of this candle. It's 254.40. All done. This is called positive CCI divergence trading. Check out my real-time trading account with position details and trade details. Follow the RSI and CCI divergence rules and take your profit. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.